Hey everyone, congratulations on making it to the end of week one. It was all quite simple. It's kind of just an introduction to Ableton. Hopefully you got through it okay. If not, of course, let me know and we'll work through it. So what I want to cover quickly in this video is what I want you to kind of try and get done this week and what we'll be looking at next week. So this week, for your homework, I guess, what I want you to try and do is make at least 3 to 4 beats in different genres. So take some beats from hip hop, take some from pop, take some from dance music. You can even take some rock beats and actual acoustic drums and try and replicate those as well, like we did in the last one. But yeah, what I want you to do is work at different tempos. So I don't want you to be sitting at 120 the whole time. I want you to try and work in trap, which might be, it will either be, like somewhere around 80 or, even 70. Right up through to dance music, which can be anywhere from 125 to 130, 140, depends what kind of stuff you're into. Psytrance can get quite quick. But yeah, I just want you to work with different tempos, different genres, make beats for those, and then just save them as different projects. And yeah, you can show me on the call if you're on calls with me, go over those quickly.
So the whole reason why I want you to actually jump into different genres is because I think you learn the most when you're outside of your comfort zone. So let's say if you're an EDM person and all you listen to is electronic music, I think jumping into something like punk rock or even indie, something like that, it can be really beneficial. Same goes the other way. If you're an acoustic person, why not have a go at something like trance or dubstep? You never know, you might even enjoy it. But yeah, it's just to get you out of your comfort zone, and you never know, you might actually find things that you like while you're making that beat that you can incorporate into your own music. And the last thing I want you to do is make a beat for the track that you actually want to work on for the duration of this course. So the song that you want to make, your first song, I want you to start making the beat for that and start playing that out. A good way to do it is to take a reference track that you like. So pick a song that's similar to yours or similar to the one you want to make and just use that as a bit of a template, especially when starting out. It's really, really handy. Even experienced producers still do it. I do it today. If there's a track I really like, I'll kind of use it as a reference and then kind of make it my own. But yeah, find a couple of reference tracks that are similar to what you want to make and start making a drum beat that's close to that. And it's a song that you want to actually progress and finish off for this course. Sorry, I've just pulled this up as I did forget to mention one thing for this week's homework. When you are making the beat for your own track and you're starting to plan that out, this is how I want you to set that up. So instead of just doing the one MIDI clip with your whole drum loop, songs usually don't have the exact same drum loop for the whole duration of the track. So you're going to have to listen to your track. There might be an intro where there's no kick or there's no claps, or it could be the other way around where there's just a kick. And then it gradually turns into a full drum beat. So that's kind of how I want you to plan it out in here. So as you'll see, I've just done a really quick rough setup so you can kind of use that as a guide. On this first one here, I've just got the kick. So this will be my intro. If I play number 2 now, this would be something like a build-up. If I play number 3, this might be my chorus, my drop. And then number 4 might be an alternate beat for like a second drop or just a little mix-up. So this is how I want you to set yours up as well. And what we're going to do is actually rename these scenes. So these are called scenes here. Each line is a scene. So I'm going to rename this, let's say intro. A shortcut to rename again is Command R or Control R on PC. So this might be my build up. This might be my chorus / drop. And then chorus drop 2. So now I've got these 4 different beats which are all relevant to the different parts of my track. So yeah, with this song that you actually want to work on and you want to finish for this course, just set your beat out like this for this week. And then yeah, we'll elaborate on it and start adding to it next week. So yeah, make those 3 or 4 different beats in those different genres. That way you can kind of have a bit of experience with different tempos and beat patterns. And then
finally start making the beat for the song that you want after you do that. And yeah, like I said, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, or if you're on calls with me, I'll chat with you then. But apart from that, I'm excited to see your progress, and I'll catch you next week.